It's a super big letter C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Shall we write and read the alphabet from A to Z using these 9 colorful pens? A, B, let's write them in blue. C, D, E, F, G, let's write in red too. H, I, J, let's write with the sky blue pen. K, L, M, N, O, let's write them in green. P, Q, R, S, T. Let's use the pretty purple pen. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow! We wrote all the alphabet letters. We have the letters A, B, C, and D here. Shall we try writing them one by one?
S is for starship to outer space. T is for telescope, let's find a place. We are
A.
Wow!
Do you know which letter comes after the letter A?
Side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride.
That's right. It's the letter B. B. Let's write the letter together.
V is for volcano, glowing bright. W is wind, pushing by fast. X marks the spot, we're here at last. We
B.
are the explorers ready for
What letter comes after B?
hunting letters side by side. From A to
Correct. It's C. C. Let's write the letter together.
on the way. Now we're alphabet heroes today.
C. Now, can you guess which letter comes after C?
E-F-G. Sing the letters.
The answer is D. D. Let's write the letter together.
And again. O-P-Q-R-S-T-U. Say them loud and say them true.
D.
W.
Let's guess the letter that comes after D too.
Fun for you and me.
The answer is E.
D-E-F-G.
Let's write the letter E.
All sing the ABC. H-I-J-K-L-M-N. Now let's
E. Good job, everyone. This is a sweet, sweet chocolate factory. Our animal friends are visiting the chocolate factory today. Chocolate. C is for chocolate. Bear and Piggy were so surprised to see how the yummy chocolate is made. Wow, look at this. It's a chocolate shaped like the letter A. Rabbit and Bear couldn't take their eyes off the alphabet chocolates moving along. Bear and Piggy made a word using the chocolates. Can you read what it says? C, A, K, E, cake. C is for cake. Eating sweet chocolate and studying the alphabet too. The animal friends had such a wonderful time. Let's draw something that looks like the letter C. What do you think looks like the letter C? You're right! The crescent moon looks just like the letter C. Let's color it beautifully.
U is for octopus, oh. Open it up when rain comes down. Spin it round and dance around. U octopus, oh, U. A-E-I-O-U. Vowels are so fun to do. Say their sounds and sing along with this happy vowel song.
The moon and stars are twinkling beautifully in the night sky.